Hey everyone! Welcome back to Eassiy Official. If you forgot your iPhone passcode or it says iPhone unavailable, don't panic. Today, I'll show you the smartest and fastest ways to unlock your iPhone, explain what works best for your situation, and, most importantly, how to do it safely with Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Part 1. Can you unlock an iPhone without a passcode? Yes, but most methods will erase your data unless you already have a backup. Here's the quick breakdown. Apple ID available? Use Erase iPhone or iCloud. Computer only? Use iTunes or Finder Restore. No Apple ID? Go with Passixer iPhone Unlocker, the fastest, simplest solution. Just a heads up, iOS 17 and later have a forgot passcode reset feature, but it only works within 72 hours of changing your passcode. Part 2. Quick Apple methods. If you know your Apple ID. Method 1. Erase iPhone for iOS 15.2 and above. Tap Erase iPhone on the lock screen, sign in with your Apple ID, and the iPhone resets. You can set it up as new. It's easy and official, but keep in mind all data is erased. Method 2. iCloud using Find My iPhone. Go to iCloud.com, then Find My, and select all devices. Choose your iPhone, then Erase iPhone. This works remotely, but you'll need your Apple ID and an internet connection. Method 3. iTunes or Finder, using your computer. First, connect your iPhone via USB. Next, put it into recovery mode. Then, click Restore iPhone. This method works even if you don't have your Apple ID, although sometimes the activation lock might appear. Just a heads up, it will erase all your data. Part 3, the easiest way. Passixer iPhone Unlocker for all iOS versions. If you've lost your Apple ID, can't use iTunes, or just want a much faster solution, you should try Passixer iPhone Unlocker. It removes 4 or 6-digit passcodes, Face ID, and Touch ID, all without needing your Apple ID or iTunes. Here's how it works. Download and install Passixer iPhone Unlocker on your PC or Mac. Launch the app and select Wipe Passcode. Now, connect your iPhone and confirm your device info. Just follow the on-screen guide, enter 0000 and click Unlock. After a few minutes, your iPhone will restart, unlocked and updated to the latest iOS. It works with all iPhone models and iOS versions, and it's honestly fast, safe, and super easy, even for beginners. Part 4. Quick FAQs. So, can you unlock your iPhone without losing your photos? Only if you have a backup. Is Passixer safe to use? Yes, it's 100% legal for your own device and trusted by users worldwide. Can the Apple Store unlock it? Yes, but only if you have proof of ownership. And honestly, it often takes quite a bit of time. So, here's your quick recap. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Eassiy Official, and tap the bell for more quick iPhone guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.